Hi, this is 24K. We're looking at the Shargeek Retro 35 watt charger. It looks like a little mini Mac. So here's the USB-C port. It says 35 watts right there. And then here at the bottom are the flip-up prongs. And this actually lights up, and we'll show you that just now. Okay, we're going to plug it into a wall socket so you can see it turn on. And there you go. Now you have the light up, cool looking face on this Retro Mini Mac, 35 watts with USB-C port. So what this cool Mini Mac charger has to offer, it's 35 watts. You get the retro styling of like the original Mac. LED light, which you just saw. That 35 output is very good if you have a high-speed battery that can handle it, or a smartphone. Some of the smartphones now are going up to 120 watts, so that's cool. And it's powered by a GaN chip. GaN technology is very important. You can keep devices small like this and at high speeds. And it's compatible with a lot of devices because of the power switching technology in GaN and the USB-C port, so it makes it compatible with so many devices out there. And it's from Shargeek. You can get it now. It's this really cool retro 35 watt charger for your Android devices, your PC, your Mac. You can even power a MacBook Air with this charger. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.